Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up settings of your Blogger blog. As you can see, we are in the dashboard of Blogger. Let's go to settings, and then the first thing you have to set up is the description of your blog. In here you have to write a description that describes your channel. You can use AI for that if you want. I'm gonna use ChatGPT. I'm gonna write description is within 500 character and then hit enter. And as you can see, this is the final description I'm gonna use. Let's copy it and then go to our blog and then paste it in the description and hit save. And let's go to fave icon. You have to upload also a fave icon for your blog. And for the fave icon dimensions, it should be with the height and width, it should be 48 and by 48. And if you have it, just click on choose a file and then choose your fave icon and then click open. It's gonna be uploaded and then hit save. I don't have it right now, so I'm not gonna add it until I make one. Let's just scroll down to other features. In here we have to enable this one, lazy load images, and WebP image serving as well. It's gonna convert your photos or your images to WebP, which is gonna load in it faster than other formats. And then scroll down to meta tags. We're gonna enable this one as well. Enable search description, and let's hit click on search description. You have to write a description, a short one within 150 characters. Let's go to ChatGPT as well, and I'm gonna ask him to write for me a small or a short description for my blog. And this is description I'm gonna use. Let's paste it in here and let's hit save. And then scroll down. We need also to add a custom robot text. I'm gonna show you in a separated video how to do it. You're gonna find the link of it in a description. And I guess that's it. That's all you have to edit in settings. So you're gonna set up everything in your Blogger blog. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.